Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we are going to start with the chemistry lecture, that is your chemistry 95 lecture that we have to start with. अभी तक इससे पहले हमने 94 lectures कर लिया है, so please go through with all the lectures which we had done, and do subscribe our channel and share our videos so that many people and maximum people can get the information as well. And we start today we start with the multiplication and division of significant figures. So here we're going to start with the topic that is your multiplication and division of significant figures. Significant figures के बारे में हमने थोड़ा लास्ट टाइम पे पढ़ा था, जिसमें हम आज मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन जो मेथड है सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स का वो हम केमिस्ट्री में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. एंड अभी तक हमने सेकेंड चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया है. ऑन द रिक्वायरमेंट, एक बच्चे का रिक्वायरमेंट था सेकेंड चैप्टर पहले कराने का, तो मैंने उसको पहले कराया. अब मैं फर्स्ट चैप्टर को करा रही हूँ फॉर द एनसीईआरटी पर्पस. सो you can go through with all these, and in these questions the result must be reported with no more significant figures, or as there is a measurement with the four significant figures. If we are multiplying the two numbers, that is in the decimal, that is 2.5 multiply 1.25, that gives the answer to 3.125. For that it has having a four significant figures. So in that case the significant figures varies from numbers from the digits which we had given. Okay, so that since 2.5 has two significant figures, it has two significant figures, the result should not be more than the two significant figures. So result जो होगा वो भी two significant figures से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. While limiting the result of the required number of significant figures as done in the above mathematical operation, one has to keep in the mind of the following points for rounding off the numbers. If you are rounding off the numbers, you have to keep some of the points in your mind so that you can solve your multiplication division for the significant figures in the purpose of chemistry as well. So that what a significant specifies, and that the point what you have to remember in the following while solving the significant figures for the multiplication and the division as well, the following points you have to be remember for this. That first point what you have is, if the rightmost digit is to be removed is more than 5, अगर आप remove करते हो और वो अगर 5 से बड़ा है, the preceding number is increased by 1. for example 1.386. अगर वो 5 से बड़ा है तब आप उसको +1 कर दोगे. if we have a remove 6, अगर हम 6 को remove करेंगे क्योंकि ये 5 से बड़ा है तो इसलिए यहाँ पे +1 हो जाएगा, मतलब 8 ये 9 हो जाएगा. that we round off 1.39. okay, rounding off for a digit that is more than 5 or 5. okay, we will add 1 after that. if the rightmost digit is to be removed is less than 5. अब यहाँ पे तो बड़े की बात कर ली, अगर मान लो वो 5 से भी छोटा है तब the preceding number is not changed. preceding जो number है वो आपका change नहीं होगा. for example 4.334, if 4 is to be removed, अगर ये वाला 4 जो है हम अगर remove करेंगे then the result is rounded out 4.33, तब वो आंसर सिर्फ 4.33 ही होगा. moving on with third point that you have to remember, that is if the rightmost digit to be removed is 5. अगर मान लो अभी यहाँ पे था कि वो अगर बड़ा है तब क्या होगा, यहाँ पे है कि अगर छोटा है तब क्या होगा. अब यहाँ पे ये है कि केस कि मान लो सिर्फ 5 ही होगा तब क्या होगा, then the preceding number is not changed. preceding number है तब भी वो change नहीं होगा. if it is an even number but it is increasing by 1, if it is an odd number, for example if 6.35 is to be rounded off by measuring the 5, we have to increase 3 to 4, 4 giving 6.4 as the result. however 6.25 is to be rounded in the form of 6.2, not increasing the +1 for the 5 purpose. okay, that what we had discussed in this class, that is your multiplication division of the significant figures. so go through with all the points which we had made done here, and the points which I mentioned here as 1.3 point and the second and the third point, that is most important point that you have to consider about, and go through with all the points which we will be doing here, so that you will be getting all the information, all the things in at one place. and do subscribe our channel, it's a request. thank you, hope you enjoy this video. if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. thank you.